Hi folks, it's Ramsey here. I'd like to show you an adapter I put together. It's basically a USB external sound card. That's used for transferring your cassette tapes onto your modern computer. All you need to do is stick the USB port in there, and then your computer will install it as sound card. You need to go to the sound settings, recording devices, and you'll need to find the USB microphone, set it as default and go to properties, and on the listen tab, listen to this device, apply. You need to go to custom and you need to untick the AGC, automatic gain control. We won't need that. You need to go to the levels and set it to 50% and go to advanced and choose the one channel 16-bit 48,000 Hertz. Click apply, yes, and press OK, and that's it. We are set. Now what we need to do is press the play on the cassette tape and go to auto tab, start it, and create a tab file from a sound inverted waveform. Okay, oh, you're a bit slow. Did we get it? Yeah, I think so. Okay, now we can go to sound settings, recording devices, properties. Okay, turn that off. Now we are creating the tab file from the cassette, and if we we are actually loading the Commodore game direct from the tape. Okay, we can also